Guy was welcome to our channel. Today we are going to unbox Clikon, little known Clikon. Model is ck5821 1.7 liters glass kettle. This particular model, many people they don't know it, but it's one of the best in the market. It's giving you 2 years warranty, and actually the glass, even if it goes up to 150, 160 degrees, it doesn't break. This is one of the best in the market, and many people don't know. So I just want to unbox it today so that you can have to buy it, to decide whether you'll buy it or you can choose other brands. And it's very cheap. Actually, it's around $20 only. And $20 you're getting a glass kettle. If you compare to other brands, it's one of the best. I've tasted it, I like it, and I also bought it. And see how it's looking, man. So sleeky, nice. I'll just bring out the base. This is one of the best kettles in the market so far, with 2 years warranty. Remember, always, as I told you, there is a warranty here. The warranty does not cover breakage. If it's broken, then it's not covered under this warranty. Remember to keep this warranty properly. And this is the catalog, which we usually don't use it. So I'll just gonna show you how to operate it and then how it's looking when you just put your water inside. So this is it. This cable goes round. You can twist it and put it here, just to your size. Make sure it's properly done. You just remove the plastic, and as usual, always switch off your sockets before you put on any electronics gadgets. So that's it. I'll just pour it here and I'll pour water. That's how it's opening. Put my water. Remember to switch off all your electronics gadgets before you put water inside, for your safety, because water is a good conductor of heat. It can electrocute your hands and your body. So I put it on here. As you can see, there's a blue LED light coming round, and immediately it starts to circulate. It's very powerful, very efficient. Just within some minutes, it will have boiled the water fully. Guys, I'll recommend you to buy this particular model, especially is from Clikon. The model is ck5821 1.7 liters. It's one of the best in the market, and it's going for only $20. So this is, we always bring new items and unboxed it in front of you, and practically we are using these ones to educate and to show some people how to do the proper purchasing of their products. And we are doing it. This glass does not break, even if the water will go up to 120, 30, 40, 50 degrees. So you see it's boiling. It has spun only like less than a minute. My 1 liter is boiling now. And one more thing, automatically it will switch off. There's an automatic switch here. So let's wait and see if it will switch off by itself when it reaches my 100 degrees. Like for me, this one is ready to use. I can use it for my tea, my coffee. Or even for drinking water. Mostly we advise to boil the waters, especially which is coming from different locations that is not sealed. You should always boil your water. It's good for your throat. So as you can see, so let's see if it's gonna switch off automatic per the specifications. Automatically it switch off. Thank you guys for watching our channel, and do remember to subscribe to our next episode.